What is up, everybody? It is the weekend. It's Friday. I'm about to get off, but I wanted to make a quick intro video of how to use our free Facebook group and our Discord channel that I just made to make more money, get more deals. Guys, I want to break this down for you. Got a lot of people asking me, how do I get to the Discord channel? How do I use the Facebook group? How do I know what's going on? I'm going to try and get through it as quick as I can because I don't want to waste everybody's time, and I'm trying to get off for the weekend. I'm going to use this video in the future so you can know how to use this group. But let me break it down, guys. So if you want to join my free Facebook group to network with other people's, collaboration nation, collaborate, get deals, here's how you do it. You type in wholesaling real estate mastermind. I'm going to pop up. You join. It's a private group. I accept you if you're not a robot or foreign and you're just trying to spam us. Here at the top, there's free videos and guides on how to improve in sales. There's videos that we've done in the past. There's events that you can go to. The Facebook group is great, and it's just like a easy way to ask questions and talk to people and network. If you want to see exactly how to get to the Discord channel and maximize and get like the most out of this group, you're going to go to the top where the announcements, where it's all featured, and you're going to click on welcome. And this is just steps that everybody that's new, post introduction to the group, follow us on YouTube, help me grow my channel, text my team so we can be in touch, follow me on Instagram and all my other, social media networks. And you can join our Discord channel for absolutely free. There's some great stuff. I'm going to dive in what you can get from it. Join our free training calls. There's going to be there's a deal analysis call every Friday for free. And we're always adding stuff and changing, but this is the stuff you can get. We have some free JV courses on investorsdive.com, some discounted links. But anyway, that's what you're going to want to do to get into the Discord channel. And the Facebook group, it's pretty self-explanatory, guys. You just get in and you use the videos, you use the free stuff we're giving you, and you go to the events. And we're always streaming live on here, so that's where you're going to catch a lot of the content when we go live. And yeah, it's pretty easy. So the Discord channel, like I said, guys, if you go to the top, you can get the link from here. Or if you don't want to go to this post and click on the Discord channel, you can just type in Discord and it will search it for you. Super easy. Okay. Click on the link. So this is the real deal. The Discord is the real deal. Facebook's great, but Facebook limits what I can say and what you're going to see from me. This is where you're going to get all the juice. I just opened this up a couple days ago. We already got 170 people on here. Let me break down how you can use this to make money and how you guys can use this to improve your business. So you're going to come in here. It's going to say welcome. You're going to say, oh, great. Thanks for welcoming me to the Discord. At the top, or I think it's pinned, it's going to be the same thing you saw in the Facebook group, the steps to follow. Pretty easy. Then this is for all the people that are joining for free. It's the wholesaling real estate mastermind. You can talk to people. This one's just, I guess, people have generic questions they want to chat. I've created different channels for everyone so they can specifically go and talk about things that they need. And then obviously, if you want to pay for my coaching, where you get exclusive one-on-one help with me and my team, and we help you and we teach you how to build a business. We have a portal that teaches you how to, what to market, trainings on marketing, introduction on, wholesaling, fix and flip. We do creative finance. We teach you how to do everything. You get all these things in our portal. But again, that's for the paid members. If you want to do that, you can set up a time with me on my Calendly or just message me and we can chat. I do a quick consultation. But those are for the paid members. But I'm opening this up for everyone because I believe everybody should get together and we can make more money if we all chat together. So this is how it breaks down. You come in here, you say you got the welcome. You got the wholesale real estate mastermind. So you have free bonus resources. I'm literally giving you free stuff. I have a deal calculator you can grab. Got a bunch of links that's going to help you get stuff for trials for free, like PropStream, all that stuff. I'm giving away my hedge funds buyers list. So you can get the hedge funds list if you go to the free bonuses. It's got over like 900 hedge funds. Everyone talks about the hedge funds. Go sell all your deals to them. There you go. The hedge fund buyer list. competitions. We're going to run competitions monthly. Right now, we're running a competition in the month of April. Whoever makes the most offers is going to get $200 cash, cold hard cash, a copy of the book Traction. I'm giving it out. And you get a pick out of our nationwide buyers list that we've grown, and we bought from Nick Perry, and we've grown it since then. You get to pick one state, and we'll give you our buyers list for whoever wins this. It's going to be the person who makes the most offers and the person who makes the most money off of offers made in April. So there's going to be competitions, incentives in here. Why am I doing this? Because I'm trying to have fun, I'm trying to make money and have fun. Announcements. You're going to have announcements on events that are taking place. So check that out. Deals. A lot of people, since I created this, a lot of people are trying to collaborate and like just chat. They don't have a deal. They're just like, hey, who knows, whatever. This deal section is specifically if you have a deal under contract and you're trying to find a buyer. Only use this for if you have deals under contract, and you're trying to have people help you dispo. So Collaboration Nation, you might have heard Pace Morby. He calls it squatting up. I'm just trying to be a little different. It's called Collaboration Nation. Same thing. Here is where you guys can talk, network. If someone has a deal and they don't know how to close it, go help them. Now, I've been coaching for a while now, and I know that most of the issues that I guess the newer investors face is they just don't know what to offer. They don't know what to say. They don't really know what they're doing. And it's okay. So they spend a month working with grandma or a seller, and then they lock it up after talking to the person for a month, and they locked it up at the wrong price, and they just waste all their time because they can't sell it, they can't renegotiate. What I am providing for free right now with Scott Levine, the freaking machine, what we're helping and my team is we're going to hop on calls daily. We're going to have a call, the daily deal review, where we're going to review deals with you, talk to you about the deal, tell you what to say, what to offer. 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to review these deals with you, okay? And then at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time or 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to underwrite your deals. So we're going to tell you, hey, this is what you say. Go talk to them. You're going to come back and say, hey, this is what they said. I'm going to say, okay, this is what you offer. We're going to work with you step by step and help you to grow. Now, I believe, like, I've done a ton of coaching, and I feel like this is extremely valuable, extremely valuable. We're doing it for free, but eventually it'll probably be like a monthly subscription. We're going to try it out. But we do have some paying students, so they're going to get first dibs in the call. So if there's 10 people on the call, we're going to answer the questions and deal with the people who have paid, just because that's just how, they paid for the service. But we want to help everybody. But if you want exclusive rights and if you want top priority in the calls, then obviously we can talk to you about the mentorship, the mastermind that we offer to our students. But like I said, I'm trying to help everybody. So this is the Collaboration Nation. I believe we can get lots of deals together, not only me working with you, but you can work with other people. I mean, we do deals nationwide, so that's just how it is. Now, guys, I appreciate everyone joining in on this. My sole goal in everything I do is to provide value and help people grow. Obviously, the more you help, the more you get. So it's a win-win for me, the go-giver. I'm trying to give as much as I can. So again, just to review, you got the wholesale real estate mastermind Facebook group. You can search. You can get a lot of value out of that, but the Discord is where I think it's gonna be easier to communicate with people. We just had someone join. Great, thank you. So check out these different channels for different specific things, announcements. We're going to keep telling you what we're doing. But guys, we're starting this on Monday, where we can collaborate and help you and train you if you're brand new. That is my goal, is to help you guys get more deals, and maybe we can dispo, we can partner on it. If I lock it up, then obviously, we're going to work together. I hop on that call with that seller and get it done, or Scott. But we're stronger together than separate. So that's the goal. So I'm going to post this video. This is going to be the video that explains how to use the Facebook group and the Discord, and let's get some deals. I believe in the month of April, everyone can get some good deals, and I want everyone posting how this group and how Collaboration Nations help them, in their business. So guys, have a great weekend. It's Friday. Go have some fun, relax, have some fun with the family, focus on what's really important, and that's family and friends and relationships. And we'll see you guys on Monday, 8 a.m. to get some deals. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. See you later.